Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Gordon Ramsay's presence in Las Vegas has grown into one of the strongest celebrity chef footprints anywhere on the Strip. What started as a single high-profile restaurant has expanded into a network of venues that showcase different sides of his cooking style and culinary brand. Each location brings a distinctive concept, and together they've made Gordon Ramsay one of the most recognizable dining names in the city. One of the most iconic is Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen at Caesar's Palace. It opened in 2018 and quickly became one of the most visited restaurants in Las Vegas. The concept is built around the television series, complete with the signature red and blue kitchen stations, open cooking lines, and a menu that features the dishes most associated with the show: beef Wellington, scallops, sticky toffee pudding, and more. The restaurant was such a success that it helped cement the idea of TV-themed fine dining as a major draw on the Strip. Not far away, another flagship concept continues to bring in guests daily: Gordon Ramsay Burger. This restaurant focuses on Ramsay's take on the American burger, using techniques from his fine dining background applied to a casual format. The menu includes specialty burgers with unique ingredient combinations, thick milkshakes, and sides built around the kind of precision he's known for. As one of the most approachable and relaxed venues in Las Vegas, it helped broaden his audience beyond those seeking traditional fine dining. Ramsay's influence extended even further through several additional restaurants across the Strip. Gordon Ramsay's Steak, located at Paris, Las Vegas, offers a modern steakhouse experience built around dry-aged beef, refined plating, and the dramatic presentation that often accompanies his work. The restaurant introduced classic British touches into what is otherwise an American dining staple, giving it a distinctive identity in a city full of steakhouses. There is also Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill, which brings a British-style pub atmosphere to Las Vegas. Its menu mixes traditional pub dishes with elevated versions of comfort classics. Another venue, Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips, adds a fast casual option built around one of the chef's signature dishes. Each venue is designed to highlight a different part of his personality and culinary heritage. Across all these properties, Ramsay's brand has become an integral part of the Las Vegas dining landscape. The restaurants range from casual to high-end, from TV-inspired to traditional, ensuring that his presence appeals to nearly every type of visitor. Together they form one of the most diverse and successful celebrity chef portfolios in the city, turning his name into both a culinary experience and a major Strip attraction.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.